Okay, we got, that's the oil, 1040, semi-synthetic, nothing special. The car runs on exactly 6 litres, give or take. I'm going to put all this 5 litres in, start the engine up, back the car off the ramps, and then we'll do some checks. Pour this in with minimal spillage, that'll help, won't it? There we go. A little drips to mop up. Put the lid back on. Let's turn the key, shall we? Continuity. Gas struts, I hate them. I have the same problem on my Granada, and you just get sick and tired of replacing them. I mean, it is quite windy today, but yeah, I don't like gas struts. It's a stupid design, particularly on a bonnet. If you're working and you're concentrating, I've had it time and again where, you know, for instance, if you're rebuilding the cylinder head, or, you know, anything that involves any concentration, you can guarantee if you're working outside and a car's got weak gas struts on, you're going to end up with a gash on your head. And I absolutely hate them. I'm not even going to be bothering replacing them. I'll just use a support like that, which should be there, because this car doesn't even have a support to keep the bonnet up, and they don't even have cup holders either, but that's for another time. See, on there, just on the bottom, which is fine. I'll stick the other litre in. I do have some more, just in case. Perfect. There was no leaks or anything major like that. Shouldn't be. Hope not anyway. Well, no, it was a bit haphazard, it was a bit windy, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks very much for watching. And tomorrow, or at some point over the next week or so, depending on what's with work and Christmas, etc, etc, hello, I'll be doing disc and pads on the Amiga as well, so I'll bring you along with me on that. And it's due its MOT soon, as is my Alpha. So yeah, more to come on the Alpha, more to come with the Amiga, that as well, and the Granada. So stay tuned, thanks very much.